Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable new UI interface in Chrome browser. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure your web browser is updated to the latest version. Once you've updated it, restart your browser. Now, type in the command to go to Chrome Special Settings. Here, look for the word refresh in the search bar. Next, turn on both options and then restart your web browser. Now, you can check out the updated Chrome look with some enhancements. Now, let's take a look at it using the light theme. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.